Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Music and Tech again. This is Kevin. We're still here in the USS Constitution, and you can see the masts of the ship. There are 3 masts here, 4 masts, main mast and the meso mast. And the one in front of us is the bowsprit, the spar extending forward. The vessel typically holds down and counteracts the forces from the forestays. The bowsprit's purpose is to create an anchor, points for the sails that extend beyond the vessel's bow. And of course your masts. You have 3 masts for this ship. It's a tall spar arrangement directed more or less vertically on the center line of the ship. Its purpose is to carry sails, spars, and derricks, giving necessary height to a navigation light, lookout position, signal yard, and of course signal lamp. Yep, so we move on to Cassin Young. It's another ship. The Cassin Young DD-793. So we are still going towards it. It's another interesting ship of great significance in World War II because it protected the carriers and other ships from Japanese attack. And it did survive Kamikaze attacks from the Japanese planes. Kamikazes are those planes or Zeros wherein the Japanese would drive their plane towards the ship to destroy or sink the ship. So that's your USS Cassin Young. So it's a Fletcher class destroyer named after Cassin Young. So Cassin Young is a recipient of a Medal of Honor for his heroism at the Japanese attack on Pearl Harbor and killed in the naval battle of Guadalcanal in the fall of 1942. So let's go here. So again guys, if you want to go here, yes, please do so. There's no fee to get into the ship. It's free. So yeah, get here and explore this very important ship during World War II. Yep, so you have this gun. It's a 5-inch 38 caliber gun used to attack ships, aircrafts. Yeah, that's the main gun, and this ship has 4 of them. So I think I'll pause here first. So if you like this video, please click like, and then if you want to see my other videos, please do subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Again, thank you so much. Have a good day and goodbye.